It's time on the Alfred Chicken Show to introduce a good friend of mine, Mr. Muscle Man. What will you be lifting today, sir?
Snowman.
How much does that weigh?
This is about 11 pounds.
11 pounds. Let's see you do it. I have a challenge for you. How about you lift a box of paper clips? That'll be tough. Let's add one more thing to that. How about that, alright? The heaviest of them all. Tape container. One more thing. A high-tech ass calculator. Well, that one. Grab it, sir. Thank you. Lift them all at 7 times per hour. On the Alfred Chicken Show. Oh, you fail. You must be executed now, sir.